In this video I'm just going to show you how to create a text file for your SPSS from the EPW. So we're going to start with the experimental participation website and download the PrimeStroopData file. So click that, experiment, here it is, and we have download dataset, so we can select one, we can select two. Doesn't matter which one you download. I'll save that. We'll save it here in, I already have one, so we'll save number 2 as well. And then we'll just close that because I'm just going to close all of this. Okay. Just minimize that one. And we'll navigate then to our file. I have it in my OU folder. It's in my ePrime folder here. So here we have data 2. So double click on that and it'll open in the data file. Now the first thing, just have a quick look at your data. You'll see that we have, these are the columns we're probably most interested in: accuracy and response time. You see a lot of nulls, they were for practice sessions, and you go on down, you see zeros, they're for incorrect. Somebody here seems to have all incorrect, and so on. But anyway, hopefully we have enough good data because we have quite a lot of participants. If you scroll all the way down, you'll find that we have thousands of rows. And the reason for this is because we've included every single row for every single participant. So we're going to make some changes and collapse this raw data into a row for every participant eventually. But for the moment, this is every row, and it's the total of your raw data that's been collected. So, so in order to look a little bit further at this and to create your text file, just go to the Analyze button, the little calculator, and you can read through the project booklet and just to further examine the data, maybe play around with it a little bit. But I'm just going to go straight ahead, and we're going to move the response time, which is our dependent variable. This is what we measured, and we move that there into data, and we are going to have primed. We can put the primed over here. These are our two, and direction, these two. And then we're going to, because we're interested in the subjects, we have subject, which is our participants, so we're only interested in each participant. And so now what we'll do is we'll just try making some filters, because we want to eliminate some of the information. Now this is explained in more detail in the project booklet, so if you work your way through you'll find things. But first of all, we want to, for our text file, what we're really interested in is the accuracy, and so we're only interested in correct responses. So we'll go here and we select 1 for correct responses, and we also want to look at primed, because we're only interested in that, and so we're interested in the color and word, and so we'll click OK and close that. So now you'll see we have this is similar to page 42, and if we run that we should end up with something like on page 43, figure 32. And so what you'll see is that if we scroll down here, you see that we have 88 participants, so we have n equals 88. And we're going to now convert this into a text file, because we can open a text file in SPSS. So let's click here under display mode. We're going to click Stat View and SPSS. So we click that, and now we're going to go down here to export. So click Export. We have Export to Stat View and SPSS. So we click OK, and we're going to give this a name. So we can use this name here, and we'll say save this, so we just say yes there. I'm just overwriting an older one, and So now we have created our file, so we can just close all of this because we're finished with this. And here you'll find this is my ePrime folder. I'll open and just show you this text file. And you can see that it's a very confusing looking lot of data, but it is possible for SPSS to read this. So before you proceed now, you need to make sure that you have SPSS installed correctly on your computer, and then you will be able to go to SPSS and open this file and then create an SPSS data file. So I'll just end this video here.